If you want to mirror a video in DaVinci Resolve 20 or quickly flip it for a creative effect, this tutorial will show you the easiest methods step by step. Whether you need to reverse footage for a reflection look, fix orientation, or create a stylized edit, DaVinci Resolve makes it very simple with just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick DaVinci Resolve tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in DaVinci Resolve 20 and go to the Edit page. In your timeline, find the clip that you want to mirror or flip. Simply click once on the clip so it becomes selected. This is important because the flip controls only work on the currently active clip. Now, look to the top right and open the Inspector panel if it is not already visible. The Inspector is where you'll find all the transformation controls for the selected clip. Inside the Inspector, scroll down until you see the Transform section. This is where you can adjust position, zoom, rotation, and flip options. To instantly mirror your video, find the vertical flip icon in the Transform section. This is the button with two triangles pointing up and down. Click that icon once and your clip will flip instantly. Depending on the look you want, this can create a mirrored effect that changes the orientation of the footage right away. If you also want to experiment with other mirror-style looks, you can combine this with other transform adjustments, but for most cases, this one click is all you need. It's especially useful for fixing footage from cameras, creating a reflection style effect, or matching a specific visual style in your edit. When you are finished and want to bring the clip back to normal, just click the same vertical flip icon again. That will reset the clip and remove the flip effect immediately. No complicated menu diving, no extra steps, and no need to undo anything manually. So to recap, select your clip, go to Inspector, open Transform, click the vertical flip icon to mirror the video, and click it again to reset it. That's the fastest way to flip a video in DaVinci Resolve 20. If this helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more editing tips, beginner guides, and fast DaVinci Resolve tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.